We're just going to start off, a little game we like to call point of information, get a little warmed up. So what I'm going to need from somebody, anybody, is just something that you know studied in college or high school if you have no friends.
Gyrometric Engineering.
Say it again?
Gyrometric Engineering.
Gyrometric? These guys are experts on that. They all went to school for it. It's incredible. Gyrometric.
It's the gyrocopter.
It's the thing that makes the segways not fall over.
Yeah.
Alright, Gyrometric Engineering, this is point of information. Knights of the round.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you know, gyrometric engineering is something that is plaguing mankind at the moment. In a society of green gases and everyone trying to be conservationists, we have things like segways, which of course suck electricity away from other things like houses and power plants and things like that. That could actually be useful for the rest of humanity. Instead, we're toying around with stuff like geometric engineering to come up with new tricks and new ideas, and we should
Point of information. Obviously anything studied in college is not a trick, because I took underwater basket weaving, and now I have a wonderful opportunity in careers.
I can't believe you've got that.
The thing about gyrometric engineering is you need to break it down into simple parts. Gyro, the way things move. Metric, a system in London, not in here, who cares? Engineering, something that people do who are smart. Now when we look at all these things put together, we have a very large word for college people.
Point of information!
Yes.
I wanted to say gyrometric engineering, because it's for fun. Point of information! So if you combine everything you just said, it translates roughly to things that move we don't use in this country from smart people.
Exactly.
Alright, proceed.
Now things that move that we don't use in this country from smart people are things in general, like conversation skills. You notice that you can't talk to someone for more than 5 minutes without silence.
Point of information! What?
I give it to him! I had the same question myself.
I had no clue what he was talking about. But the thing about gyrometric engineering is, as he said, it does come from across the pond. I prefer to use the term when I'm doing my own spirograph, which, as we know, is how most systems are developed, through spirograph. All great technological advances.
Hold on! I'll give it to you! Need I hear more?
The next time I use my mouse, I don't think I'm ever going to see a spirograph online or any other way.
Point of information! Obviously, you haven't been using the high-end mouses.
That's true, you haven't been doing it.
High-end mouses, segways. Let's just cut to the chase. Gyrometric engineering.
Point of information. Gyro, not dryro.
I said gyro.
It's kind of like Euro. It could be pronounced many different ways. Go
Thank
for it.
you. Gyrometric engineering is something we need to make this country function. It's the foundation of our democracy, because it's a science. And science cannot be proven wrong. Am I right? Am I right?
Point of information! I have a god who'd like to disprove that.
I don't want to mess with this guy.
No,
You lose.
neither do I. This guy is
Shane brings up an interesting point, which is the translation of bringing gyrometric engineering to other countries, such as Greece, where they have gyrometric engineering, which is how they use
Point of information is Eurometric.
That's true, he's right. It is Euro. I saw another commercial.
gyrometric engineering.
Eurometric.
You got one more chance.
Gyrometric engineering.
The American way.
And the art of spirograph. Do you want to take over? Alright, so that about wraps up my point on gyrometric engineering.